Thank you for being here today, and I really appreciate, and I hope everyone actually enjoyed this morning's session. And before I start my session, I actually want everybody to, watch a short video.
Come on.
This was me last Wednesday when we won the champion of anti-group, football tournament. And actually, football is really something, within Ant. And I really hope, tomorrow all of us will enjoy the final. Thank you. So let's go. WorldFirst. WorldFirst is a one-stop digital payment and financial service platform for cross-border SMEs. So this is actually quite, special for us. It's actually our 20-year anniversary. And we have served 1 million merchants with $200 billion TPVs. And we are truly global. We have actually 32 offices in 16 countries. So I noticed, many of you actually, have been with us for a long time, even since the birth of, WorldFirst. So we've been known as, the leading FX expert. And given all those, technology and, investments, today we actually provide a full suite of FX products for our clients. So spot, we support 24 times 95, currency pairs. And forward, we provide 3 days to 2 years, to 2 years, tenor forward. And this settlement is quite flexible. It can be against, margin deposit. We also do grant, clean credit, FX line to our clients. And firm order. FX market is always, fluctuating. No matter it's weekend, no matter it's off, work, time. So our system actually can help our customer to watch the market 7 times 24 and help our clients to secure the deals at the desired rate. So when we, help our customers in the FX side, we always think, there could be more for us to do because we do hear a lot of pain points and problems, not really related to FX, but related to some others. So let's see. So many. Even today, every day we are asked by our customers. For example, account opening. In our own case, last year, I still remember, we tried to open a PLN account in Poland. It took us actually 6 months. I was amazed. I never, even my time in City or HSBC, I thought it's, wow, it's like ages. Not to mention SMEs, guys. If they are, in their home country, they may be, but if they expand to a non-home country, nobody knows them. How can they get the accounts opened? How do all the, say banks know them well? So even today, say for the SMEs, it probably would be never get a bank account in those countries. And also the payment. Transparency. Where is my fund? And usually the cross-border payments, will take, 3 days or longest, as long as like 7 days or even long, because you don't know where the fund is. So this is actually the most, like I should say, the most painful point we see actually from our customers. And also fees. So many hidden fees. Correspondent fees, like handling fees, the credit fees. So many fees, they kind of sometimes lost. Why my customer, I sent 100, why my customer just receive 70? So all those, questions arise. So we ask, what more can we do? So this is actually the main theme of my, today's session. That is one word account for your global business, which is easy, fast, and secure. So account. It just take, say 3 steps to open a word account. And it's 100% online. And the account can be ready within minutes. And currently, we support 24 currencies. And most importantly, we just increased our client coverage from 41 countries to 200 plus countries. Collection, it always, start your business, it always starts from the collection side. So we provide the local currency collection account and solutions to our customers. That means, today, in most of the countries, you will see the fast payment systems, and our aim is actually to bring global to local. What is a global to local? We actually offer our customers, let's say, if you say, do your business in Mexico, and immediately you just go into our portal and just one click, you will get a local Amex and local account. That means your customer's customer actually can pay you in Amexan through the local rails. And that money will hit your account quite fast. And once it hit your account, the balance will be immediately reflected under what account, so that you can use the balance to pay. So that is, I see the instant, we see backhand, the collection and, cross-currency pooling, cross, say, different time zone pooling, all embedded into one. And also multiple. Means, you are the business owner and you manage, say, different entities and different stores. You need multiple, accounts to help you better manage your business. Payment. Today, we support, say, 90 plus, currencies to 200, markets. And 90% of the fund transfer, the payments we process actually within T+0. Means, it is processed instantly and it reaches your beneficiary's account within the same day. And it's transparent. If you see this page, through working with, Swift GPI and through, working with our partners in various markets, and we do provide the tracking function of the fund. So there won't be so many, like, say, inquiries to our service team. Where is my fund? Back to the question, right? Most frequently asked by our customers. Safety, that's so important. It's actually, business account. It is so important to the, your business. So we always, say, make sure ourselves being 100% compliant. When we use Word accounts, you see the basic, say, collection, payments, e-onboarding process, the Word wealth, I think most of the, functions can cater to, majority of our clients, needs. But when we go into the specific industry, we notice actually the requests are different. So because of that, we actually, have two industry solutions. One is actually e-commerce solution. The other is the traditional B2B cross-border solution. So let's see how this solution help our e-com seller do their business from end to end. Peter is an online seller. He wants to actually expand to the new markets, particularly, this year. We noticed, say, given, the, I should say, US and Europe market being flattened, so more emerging market needs expansion actually greatly needed by our clients. So when they go into the new market, they don't have enough data to do the study. They don't know whether they are the right fit in that market to, to open store, to have that investment. So we actually work, with 20 plus, e-marketplaces. We have the direct integration with them so that customer Peter just can go into our portal and click and submits the store opening application across, multiple e-marketplaces. So this could greatly shorten the store opening process from like 3 months to nowadays 1 week. And the most extreme case is actually the integration with Lazada in, Southeast Asia that even shortened that store opening process to 1 day. And when store is opened, collection is needed, the local currency collection account. Today, we support collections from 130 e-marketplaces directly or indirectly. And then the management. Doing business in multiple countries, on multiple platforms, not easy. How to help them manage their business better? So if you look at here, it's a multiple account management. Peter can link the accounts according to different stores, according to different entities. And everything, could be put under one Word account so that he can see the daily transactions, on a real-time basis. This is very much needed, particularly, our clients doing the online, business. They have, thousands of stores. That will greatly improve the efficiency. Payment. It's not just as simple as payment here. We, most of those, you will say it's a fund transfer, but we do something more than fund transfer. We call it eco-partner payment. So in our portal, our clients actually can just click, the shortcut and pay to, for example, 1688, and pay VAT, and pay logistic or advertisement fee instantly, and the reconciliation will be done instantly. So that is, I want to, show that end-to-end solution we provide to our e-com customers. The cross-border B2B solution, it's always a pain it's a pain point. So lots of stakeholders during that B2B, trade flow. Most of the time, it's actually offline. You don't have the data. You don't know what happened. You don't know each other. Because, if it's an e-com, marketplace will do the screening. But when it comes to this B2B, particularly cross-border, trust is always the pain point. So how can we do that, to help, build the trust, to help digitalize, the whole B2B, trade flow? So this April, we actually launched WorldTrade. So how does it work? Let's say Claire. Peter for e-com and Claire for, B2B. Actually, in our customers, portfolio, I think half of, our clients actually are women, entrepreneurs. So, I purposely asked the team, we use Claire. Claire is an offline seller. She meets a buyer, let's say, at Canton Fair. And, he actually, both of them actually agrees to sell. Then, Claire actually can draft the order with all those, say, buyer information, product information, payment terms, and logistic terms, all in this draft. And then send this order to the buyer. So the payment terms can be, if it's 100% pre-shipment payments, then the buyer actually can choose to pay online. Currently, we support the 6 major card schemes payment, as well as what account balance pay. And we are gradually adding more payment methods for our say buyers in international markets, in the core markets. And once this payment is done, it's actually being escrowed. It's not being credited to the seller. Then it's a logistic information. So Claire will upload the logistic information on WorldTrade. When it is uploaded through our direct integration with the custom house, with the logistic companies, we do the verification of the logistic information to make sure it's actually a genuine trade. And this is the the buyer will receive the goods, and once it is received, the buyer will click confirm. Only when he clicks the confirm button, the fund will be released to Claire's account, and then order is completed. But of course, there could be many other choices, like 30% down payment and 70% supposed shipment payment. All those will be supported in by WorldTrade. Back to this one word account for global business, but more importantly, it is actually for your growth and success. So I want to quote the same slogan for our, say, the anti-international football team. That is, actually on my back. It's we are one. That is, together we win the game. Thank you.